Hello and good day, everyone. Today we're going to talk about your family and friends. So, first, how many people are there in your family? There are 3, 4, 5 people in my family. For example, there are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, and me. Second, who do you love most in your family? Why? I love my father, mother, brother, sister most because, for example, I love my mother most because she always takes care of me. I love my father most because he works hard for my family. Third, what do you often do with your family? I often have dinner, watch TV, go shopping, travel with my family. For example, I often have dinner and watch TV with my family. I often travel with my family in the summer. Fourth, how many close friends do you have? I have 1, 2, 3 close friends. For example, I have 2 close friends. I have 1 best friend. Fifth, what do you usually do with your friends? I usually play football, chat, study, go shopping, go out with my friends. For example, I usually play football with my friends after school. I usually go shopping with my best friend. Last, why are friends important to you? Friends are important because they make me happy. They help me. We share everything. For example, friends are important because they make me laugh and feel happy. Friends are important because they always help me when I have problems. So that is all about your family and friends. Thank you.